Have you ever found yourself tossing and turning at night, struggling to fall asleep? Or perhaps you wake up feeling exhausted, despite getting a full 8 hours of rest. If this sounds familiar, it could be because you don't have a consistent sleep schedule. In today's video, we're discussing the power of a consistent sleep schedule and how it can greatly improve your overall sleep quality. You might be wondering, what exactly is a consistent sleep schedule and how does it differ from just getting a certain amount of sleep every night? A consistent sleep schedule means going to bed and waking up at the same time every day, even on weekends. This helps regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle, also known as your circadian rhythm. When your body is used to a consistent routine, it's easier for it to fall asleep and stay asleep. On the other hand, if you have an inconsistent sleep schedule, your body may have a harder time falling asleep and staying asleep. This can lead to poor sleep quality, which can have a negative impact on your energy levels, mood, and overall health. So how can you establish a consistent sleep schedule? Start by setting a bedtime and wake-up time that works for you and your lifestyle. It's important to stick to these times as closely as possible, even on weekends. It's also helpful to create a bedtime routine that helps you wind down and relax before sleep. This can include activities such as reading, meditating, or taking a warm bath. Avoid screens and bright lights before bed, as they can disrupt your body's production of the sleep hormone melatonin. If you have trouble falling asleep, try using relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or progressive muscle relaxation. Incorporating a consistent sleep schedule into your routine can take time and patience, but the benefits are worth it. Better sleep quality can lead to increased energy levels, improved mood, and overall better health. There is also some common pitfalls that can disrupt a consistent sleep schedule, and here's more tips to what you can do to avoid them. One common issue is the temptation to stay up late on weekends. While it can be tempting to sleep in or stay up later on the weekends, it's important to remember the benefits of a consistent sleep schedule. Sticking to your regular bedtime and wake-up time will help regulate your body's natural sleep-wake cycle and lead to better sleep quality. Another common issue is the use of screens before bed. The blue light emitted by screens can disrupt your body's production of melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. To avoid this, it's best to avoid screens for at least an hour before bed. Having a poor sleep environment is another factor that can disrupt your sleep schedule. A comfortable, cool, and dark room is essential for good sleep. If you find that your room is too hot, try using a fan or keeping a window open to cool it down. If your room is too bright, consider using blackout curtains or an eye mask to block out light. Stress and anxiety can also disrupt a consistent sleep schedule. If you're finding it difficult to fall asleep or stay asleep due to stress, try incorporating relaxation techniques such as deep breathing or progressive muscle relaxation into your bedtime routine. You can also try writing down any worries or thoughts before bed to help clear your mind. In conclusion, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule is essential for good sleep quality. By avoiding common pitfalls such as staying up late on weekends, using screens before bed, and not creating a comfortable sleep environment, you can improve your sleep and wake up feeling refreshed and ready to take on the day. Thanks for watching.